Hello guys, mkoaje? I trust and believe kila mtu ako poa, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone to today's session. Tusome mawili matatu, and I know at the end of the session at least you'll have something that will help you in purposes to do with taxation. So I'm here because of two public notice issued by the Kenya Revenue Authority, that is KRA. I know a lot of you have seen the public notice, and kama ndio mara yako ya kwanza unajiunga nasi, kindly remember to subscribe, remember to share to as many people as possible, and also remember to watch our other episodes. So there was an amendment for the tax rules that would affect us directly, and I have just selected the two public notice because one, they are beneficial to us. They are affecting us positively. So be attentive. I know they are touching so many Kenyans. That's why I've decided to just share with you in this channel. So if you get this information, share to as many people as possible, ndio usisaidike peke yako. So we shall start by the public notice one, and that is to do with PSU1. I know a lot of people, or many of you, have been paid their salaries without the effect of this public notice or the amendment on the PSU1 tax rules. So KRA has given directives that from 27th December 2024, the following changes shall be applicable in the computation for December 2024 payee. So kama uko pale, you are employed, this public notice is for you. So number one, the amount deductible in determining the taxable employment income shall include. So kitambo tulikuwa tu tunatoa pension, but now the amount shall include one, amount deducted as affordable housing levy pursuant to the Affordable Housing Act 2024. So the housing levy will be deductible when determining the taxable income. Two, contribution to a post-employment medical fund subject to a limit of 15,000 per month. So kama uko registered to a post-retirement medical fund, pia hiyo itakuwa inadidaktiwa when determining your taxable income. 3, contribution made to the social health insurance fund, that is SHIF. So also after calculating the social health insurance fund, you will deduct it when determining the income tax. And 3 or 4, mortgage interest not exceeding Kenya shillings 360,000 per year or 30,000 per month upon money borrowed by a person from one of the first 6 financial institutions specified in the 4th schedule to the Income Tax Act to purchase or improve premises occupied by the person for residential purposes. So mortgage interest also shall be deducted. And 5, contribution made to a registered pension or provident fund or registered individual retirement fund up to a limit of Kenya shillings 360,000 per year or 30,000 per month. So all those deductions are subjected to be deductible when calculating or computing the income or taxable employment income. So taxable employment income shall be less all those amounts, and at least your take home shall increase with a certain amount. 2, these tax reliefs shall cease to apply. So kitambo zilikuwa zina relief or zina kupunguzia the tax liability that you are supposed to pay, but now they will cease to be tax reliefs. 1, affordable housing levy. So hakuna kitu kama affordable housing levy sasa. 2, post-retirement medical fund relief. Pia hiyo hakuna. So those 2 reliefs were there, but now they have scrapped them. And 3, gains and profits from employment shall not include. So there are those people who get gains and profits from employment. They shall now not include the following. 1, the value of a benefit, advantage, or facility granted in respect of employment where the aggregate value is less than Kenya shillings 60,000 per year or 30,000 per month. And 2, the first Kenya shillings 60,000 per year or 5,000 per month on the value of meals provided by an employer. And 3, an amount not exceeding Kenya shillings 360,000 paid by an employer as gratuity or similar payment in respect of employment or services rendered for each year of service paid into a registered retirement pension scheme. So all those gains and profits shall not be now be included from employment. So kitambo zilikuwa, but now it's like zimeondolewa kabisa. So public notice number 2, it's on tax amnesty. Pia hii itasaidia sana wale watu with penalties, interests and fines. So kama uko pale, you know very well that your tax account is not clean, this public notice is for you. So the amnesty, the tax amnesty on interest and penalties for the period up to 31st December 2023. So from 31st December 2023 going backward, if you have any liability, you have any interest, you have any penalty, you have any fine, talk to me. I'll guide you how to do it. And for consultations to check if your account is clean, just talk to me. I shall see what I can do about that. So the Kenya Revenue Authority informs taxpayers that the Tax Procedures Amendment Act 2024 has introduced a tax amnesty on interests, penalties, or fines on tax debt for periods up to 31st December 2023. So this tax amnesty program will run from 27th December 2024 to 30th June 2025. So take note that it has already begun. It's from 27th December to 30th June 2025. And also, before I forget, the Payee Amendment Act took effect on 27th December 2024. So this tax amnesty shall be implemented as follows. 1. A person who has paid all the principal taxes that were due by 31st December 2023 will be entitled to an automatic waiver of the penalties and interest related to tax period and will not be required to make an amnesty application. But remember, it's good to determine if you have any tax liability, and also to make sure that they have granted you this the tax amnesty. And that's why I've said, if you really know that you have any interest, penalties, and fines in your tax account, don't hesitate to talk to me. I'm very, very much available. We shall see what we can do to assist each other. So, 2, a person who has not paid all the principal tax accrued up to 31st December 2023 and is unable to make a one-off payment for the outstanding principal taxes will be required to apply to the Commissioner for the Amnesty and purposes or proposes a payment plan for any outstanding principal taxes which should be paid by 30th June 2023. So that you enjoy this tax amnesty. So kama uko na liability na ni kubwa, huwezi ilipa once, you can have a plan, make a very good plan on how to clear your liability, and then all the fines and interests and penalties that would have accrued due to this liability will be scrapped off. So make arrangements. Use this opportunity to clean up your tax account. A lot of people can't get their clearance certificate, that is tax compliance certificate, because or due to these tax liabilities or these penalties and fines. So use this opportunity before 30th June 2025. Make sure you have cleared or you have done the necessary, and don't wait until the last minute. Do it as soon as possible. Clean up your house as soon as possible. So all taxpayers are encouraged to take advantage of this opportunity to clear outstanding tax liabilities. And remember, this includes all types of taxes, be it personal, be it company taxes, every type of tax. If you have penalties, you have interest, you have fines, you have any liabilities, I'm just a phone call away. Talk to me via WhatsApp, via my social media accounts. I'm very, very much available, and I will help you to get this tax amnesty and clean your tax account. So with that, remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to share to as many people as possible, so that whenever